y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another wash day video. I know y'all enjoy these videos, so we back. If you are new here and you've never seen my face, but you like my face, definitely be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel, and turn on your post notifications, because if you don't, you may not see my next video because YouTube be playing games. Okay, let's start this wash day per usual. Oh, okay. Per usual, we're gonna start off with a pre-poo. I did make a pre-poo yesterday using Goddess Hair by Henna Sook. Shout out to Henna Sook for sponsoring this portion of the video, for keeping these lights on. I appreciate you. This is my millionth collaboration with Henna Sook. They love me over there and I love them. So I made something new for y'all. I have no idea how it works on the hair. We're gonna find out together. But let's run the footage so I can show you how I made it. Alright, let's get this recipe started. We are starting off with 4 cups of aloe vera juice as a moisturizing base. But you can use plain water, but we are better than that. Each ingredient will be listed down below in the description box per usual. For the full written recipe and more guidance, join the Insider Tea, also linked down below. My community gets the first peek at all my DIYs, as well as exclusive recipes that never make it to YouTube. Then we're going in with a tablespoon of the star ingredient, Goddess Hair by Henna Sook. This is one of my favorite herbal blends, 3 being my absolute favorites. I'm telling you, this blend is a game changer. If this recipe is a bit too complicated for you, you can check out my previous recipe using this Ayurvedic powerhouse. It will be linked in the cards and down below. You can also just add a teaspoon or 2 to any conditioner or deep conditioner, and it's going to take them to the next level. Then we need 1 tablespoon of slippery elm powder. Like the name suggests, it adds incredible slip. Now we are adding 1/4 cup of flax seeds. Flax seeds are full of nutrients and they create a gel when boiled. We're also going in with a 1/4 cup of marshmallow root. It adds that moisture and slip. On top of that, we're adding 1/2 cup of mbunu. I've talked about mbunu before on my channel. You can check it out. Mbunu is an African herb that conditions, cleans, and detangles the hair. Mix everything together and let's sit on medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Then let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes, as not to burn ourselves. We don't want that. Strain with a nut milk bag or cheesecloth to separate the gel from the herbs. It's a messy process, but it's worth it. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. To thicken the mixture, combine 3/4 teaspoons of guar gum and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin allows the guar gum to smoothly integrate into the mixture without creating clumps. This step isn't necessary, but I personally don't like thin products sliding down my back. Add this mixture to the larger batch and stir. Finally, add some castor oil to add to the hair growth benefits, neem oil to boost nourishment to the scalp, and tea tree essential oil to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. Give it a mix, and this is the final result. A pre-poo gel treatment with moisture and slip on 1,000. You ready to see it in action? Let's go. It's application time. It's application time. First thing I'm gonna do is just work out the shed hair. My hair is nice and soft, like I said, so this is actually really easy. If your hair is dry and crispy, don't do this. Spray your hair down with some water, aloe vera juice. But because my hair is really moisturized, I'm just going in and taking out the shedded hair. Now we're gonna go in with this. Let's see together. Let me do it in my hand first. Ooh, that looks good. And it's funky from the neem, but my God. My God. Yo, the slip? This isn't... Nah, for real though. Y'all see that? No, for real. Y'all, my hair is detangled. My hair is detangled. Oh my God. The ingredients were a bit extra, more than I usually do in my recipes. but it's gonna be so beneficial for the hair. And I'm sure you can also just use this as a, like, it's so moisturizing. I wonder if I can use this as just like a gel, you know, if you want to leave this on your hair. I would just be careful with the guar gum, because guar gum can flake, but I'm sure this could be like a gel. Look at my hair, y'all. Look at my hair. Can we say shine and bounce and definition? Do y'all see that? Usually I will let this sit overnight. That is my preference, to let my Prepoo sit overnight. But I don't have the energy or the time for that. So I'm just going to tie my hair up and sit under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. And then we will move on to the rest of the wash day. So I'll see you in the shower. Now it is time to rinse out the Prepoo. Per usual, I am using warm water. And y'all, my curls are popping. Adding heat to your Prepoos is really a game changer. Adding heat is extra, but it really does go a long way, especially if you have low porosity hair like I do. My curls are defined, they're shiny, they're bouncy, and that's on Henna Sook. Thank you again, Henna Sook, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now let's go into co-washing. I am using the Ginger Mint Co-Wash by Oil Handmade. I've talked about this several times on my channel. It is a staple co-wash. I've been using it for several years. It is A1, one of my favorite co-washes. It gets the hair nice and clean, but also keeping it nice and moisturized. And you know, for me, the goal is always soft and moisturized hair. I use it like I do every other co-wash. I use it to detangle my strands, as well as to hit my scalp, to clean my scalp, and also to get that blood flow going. And I'm not gonna harp on this too long because you've seen me co-wash my hair so many times on my channel. I will leave my hair growth routine down below if you are new here. That's it and that's all. Very simple. I went in with this co-wash. It's a staple, like I said, and the answer is always yes. Now it's time to rinse out the co-wash, and you can see that my curls are still very much popping, but they are clean, they are moisturized, and they're ready for the next step, which was the clay wash that I used off camera. So let's go into deep conditioning. All right, party people, it is deep conditioning time, my favorite part of wash day. Wash day has been a success so far, so hopefully we keep it up. I did an hour under my t-shirt towel that I always use. I will link it. So let's just go in. Today I'll be using a new, to me, deep conditioner. This is the Unicurl Aloe Mint 2-in-1 Deep Conditioner by Unicurl. So I purchased this with my own money back in 2020 when they were having a $10 sale. And then Unicurl later reached out to me and sent me their entire line. I'm gonna put a disclaimer out there. I have heard about Unicurl and their negative interactions with content creators, stealing their content, taking forever to pay creators. I have definitely heard this through the grapevine, and y'all know me, I do not support disrespect of any kind towards my peers. I do not stand for that at all, and I don't honestly respect it. That's just not something I support. One bad experience is one bad experience too many, but I'm also about giving Black brands grace. We give other brands grace all the time. So I am going to offer Unicurl some grace, but I do hope that they, in the future, will ask for permission to use content, will compensate people fairly for content, will pay people on time for content. I hope that I don't hear about this again. But I'm trying to use up my stash, and I have these products in my stash, so we're gonna use them. Per usual, I'm gonna keep it real. Any experience with this, whether positive or negative, is going to be my true opinion. All right? It's a very loose consistency, like it's gonna come out. You see that? That's actually the texture that I prefer. So let's see what it feels like. I've heard mixed things. Some people say this is really moisturizing. Other people say it's kind of a moisture strength balance. So smells minty. kind of minty and herbally, like minty sweet herbs. Interesting scent. It's not bad. It definitely doesn't have any slip. Let's keep going. There's some hydrolyzed wheat protein in this product, but it's all the way to the bottom of the ingredient list after the preservative. So I'm not actually sure how strengthening of a deep conditioner this is. Although some people say it's strengthening, I would say this is more of a moisturizing deep conditioner. It's supposed to be more than anything else, but we gonna see, child. There's an amazing tingle at my scalp from the peppermint oil. I'm pretty sure that's in this product. Yes, the last ingredient is peppermint oil. I can feel the tingle. It's giving me the vibes of that one deep conditioner from that one company we don't talk about anymore. I'm just going to put my hair in 2 big sections and sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll rinse it out and I'll give you my final thoughts. Time to rinse out the deep conditioner, and honestly, y'all, as good as my curls ended up looking, this deep conditioner didn't do very much for me. It was very much meh. It was very much okay. I won't say it's a bad deep conditioner, but I also can't say it's a good one. It's just okay. I am going to use up the second one, and maybe my opinion will change, and I will report back. But besides the deep conditioner, this was a great wash day, and I have no complaints. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.